What's up, team? FULLEST, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So guys, let's jump into this makeup and let's talk along. It has been a while. It has been 3 weeks now that I haven't really recorded any video. I've pulled out some old videos, some ones that I've made before, but your girl has been sick, and because of that I have not really had the time to do any makeup. Look, my face has been resting for the past 3 weeks and I haven't done anything. Please excuse the noise in the background. The kids are still home. I haven't done anything. So today I have an interview and I thought, you know what, I'm feeling a little bit better now, you know, thank God. I'm feeling a bit much more better now. So today I have an interview, so I thought, you know what, let me play with some makeup. I want to have something on my face when I'm going for this interview. I want to present myself very good, you know. So I thought, let me do something. And I thought, okay, you know what, since I'm about to do makeup on my face, let me just come here and sit down with you guys and talk, because it has been a while since I sit down here and talk to you guys. Like, my skin is getting better, but like these few days that I've not been feeling well, my skin has been terrible, guys. My skin has been really terrible. But now it's better. Now it's getting better. It's getting much more better. I don't know, it's like when I'm stressed out or when I'm sick, my skin just acts up on me crazily. But yeah, it's expected. So what I'm going to take this Makeup Revelation Concealer. This is in C15. I'm just going to use this as foundation today because I want to conceal and foundation at the same time. I think a little bit go a long way. Don't want to put too much. It's the makeup. You know, when you have an interview, you want to look a bit presentive, but you don't want to have like a lot of makeup on your face. That is the look I'm going for, like something simple, just like your everyday makeup. That is what your girl is about to go for. I'm happy that my skin is better, so I can pull off this look much more better. I've been so busy. I'm busy with my daughter's room. I ordered a bed and that one was another disaster on its own. Finally I've got the bed. Is complete now. Everything is complete. Everything is fixed. The bed is fixed. The girls can actually sleep on their own bed. Imagine you not being sick and then having to go through all of that, because I've planned to get the kids' room ready before the school started, and that my plan didn't go through because I got the bed and the bed was not good. So I had to call the people, send an email. It's take so long time for me to get a new part of the bed that was spoiled, and just was a little bit stressed out and at the same time feeling sick. But thank God everything is getting better. The kids love their bed and my skin was playing on me, being sick and being stressed out of everything, and I was just like really not feeling good, guys. This is the reason why sometimes when I do have time, I make multiple videos and I just leave it on my phone, or when I have the time I just edit everything. Is because for days like this, all these videos that I have been pulling are videos that I have filmed and edit on my phone, and I just pull them out so that I don't just stay 3 weeks off without uploading any video, because that is my schedule, is pulling out video 3 times, I think Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 3 times a week. And I feel like, okay, even if I can't stay with that, at least let me pull something once a week, or let me just pull something out there. And I did it, you know. It was a little bit difficult lying down in bed thinking about YouTube and all that. And I really miss it, because just lying down there, I really miss pulling out videos, because it's something that I really love doing. And I really miss that. But I'm happy. I'm still having some clogged nose. My nose is still running, but I'm getting there. Thank God. So that was what was going on, guys. Your girl was not feeling too. I'm going to take my powder and I'm just gonna. Ooh, that seems to be a lot, but it's okay. Just a simple look, nothing fancy, just something so that my face look a little bit presentable. So what have you guys been up to? What have you guys been up to? I hope you all are doing great. I wanted to post a video. I wanted to post a post on my community page that I'm not feeling so well, so you guys should please excuse my absence. But then I was like, you know what, I don't really like to always say I'm not feeling so well, I'm not feeling so well. I just thought, you know what, let me just post the ones I have, and I guess some of you will understand because you guys have used to see me post all the time. So if you guys don't see me post, you'd be like, oh, maybe there's something wrong with me. So yeah, but I'm getting better. I'm getting better right now. I'm feeling much more better than a couple of weeks ago. So I'm gonna take this powder. I'm just gonna set my face. I think this is my staple makeup look. Let's just try to get this under 10 minutes because your girl has to leave this house. Let's take a little bit and set the eyes. And that runny nose, please excuse that. I gotta have some runny nose. I've taken my allergic pro. I still have allergic reaction. I've taken my medication, but I feel like the medication is not working 100% because you take it and you still have issues with your allergic. So that's why I said I'm not having cold. I'm having this allergy called Hoycoats. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm allergic to stuff. I'm allergic to plants, everything. So because of that, my nose get runny and itchy, and my eyes get also itchy. My throat get itchy, and it's very annoying. So it feels like I'm always having cold, but actually I'm not having any cold. But it's just how the allergic is. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna take that. Like this bronzer just give me life. I kind of miss playing with it. Just give me life. Like give me life. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this sleek shimmery bronzer. I'm just gonna add this on top just a little bit. Yes, just a little bit. Yeah, like that. I feel like I'm good. So I'm gonna take this sleek bronzer powder here. I'm gonna use this to kind of contour my nose. I don't even know what's the time because I'm filming with my mobile phone. Can we just get this makeup under the 10 minutes? Like when you're going for a natural, you want to contour your nose, it's good to just bring the contour all the way upwards because then it makes your nose look more natural, more natural contour. What else? I'm not gonna do anything on the eyes. Oh yeah, the lip. I'm not gonna do anything on the eyes. I'm having a little bit of a dry lip. I've scrubbed this lip, but it's still not working. I'm going to take the Kiko lip liner and the Kiko lip gloss in number 20, lip liner in 321. So I'm just going to line my lip. Can we get this makeup underneath the 10 minutes? No, I don't think so. I think 11 minutes. I think I tried. 10 minutes I tried. something in the corridor. Take the lip gloss, just add it on top. I feel like that's good. I feel like a lipstick is good. Get the eyebrow looking nice because your girl is not going to, yeah. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to take my Sunkiss bronzer. I'm going to use this one to highlight my brow bone. Oh, that was a... this is too pigment. We just want something simple. Let's just blend it out. Yeah, just blend it out very smoothly. Just gonna take that same, I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I like to drag it up a little bit like that. Do the same thing here. And I'm just gonna take that, also highlight the tip of my nose. Take a little bit on the bridge of my nose here. Just a little one, because you don't want to blind people's face. You're just going for an interview. It's just a quick everyday interview makeup. You're just going to take a little bit and just on the cheekbone. We don't want to add too much on the cheekbone because we already put the sleek shimmery bronzer on top. So just a little bit, go a long way. I feel like that's okay. I check a little bit on the chin. Yes, a little bit. It's just like, so it gives you this really nice bronzy makeup look, which is really, really nice. I love it. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner, so if you want to do an eyeliner, good for you. I'm not gonna do any. I'm just going to take a mascara. I'm just gonna put it on my lashes, or no false lashes, just like this. So now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray because I want this makeup to stay matte. I don't want to sweat because I'm a little bit zenuwachtig, nervous. I'm a little bit nervous, so we want everything to stay in place. So yeah, just shake, and now it's time to set this face. So beauty, this is the finished result. Let me know what you think. This mascara is something. I really, really love it. This mascara does not really make me feel missing out of wearing false lashes. I feel like my lashes are beautiful. And what I have been doing, I have this old mascara bottle I cleaned up. Yeah, not old mascara bottle, but like the one you buy in the store. I clean it up, the gel mascara, and then I put some castor oil in there. I have that in my bathroom and with a spoolie. So what I do before I go to bed at night, I don't take the spoolie, put it in the oil, and then I use that to brush my eyelashes and my brow. So yeah, this is the finished result. I'm ready for my interview. Let me show you just a quick outfit of what I'm wearing. I'll put a picture to give you guys a full outfit, but I'm just wearing this green shirt and with some black pants, and I'm also going to wear some green sneakers. I'm going to take this my combat jacket right there. I'm just going to put it on top. just because you guys know green is my favorite color. So I hope you all like this look. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. I'm sorry for not being uploading, you guys. I was sick, but I thank God I'm getting better. You guys can hear that in my voice. My nose is kind of stuck right now. But I'm happy. I'm feeling much more better, and I'll definitely make it up. I'll definitely come with some makeup tutorial. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love en support. En vergeet niet abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram, mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg! Peace out!